Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. Make sure you go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell, join the Clockwork crew, so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday, like clockwork. And I'm ready. It's been a minute, and I feel like because I stopped BoxyCharm, like I canceled that subscription, that we don't do as much unboxings here. But I got one for you guys today. Okay, sorry. I'm excited because I have this PR box from Elemis. Now, with the last unboxing from Elemis, I told you guys that a representative reached out to me on Instagram, and I thought that was dope. I did not realize that I was now on the PR list because I had no idea this was coming. I got an email from my mailbox that said I had a package, and I was like, okay, it's the bracelets from the last shoot that I did. If you guys haven't seen on Instagram, check it out. I dropped my Cyberpunk Cyber Monday look, and it was a collaboration with Paramedic Designs. There's also behind the scenes of the shoot on this channel. Guys, I was doing stuff and I didn't even know I was doing stuff. So I thought it was a thank you gift from them because I'm expecting a small package. But it wasn't. It was this from Elemis. And guys, it was so, I love it. I'm sorry. It was so much money. The last package, I think it was over like $400 because I know the cream alone was like 100 and something. So like y'all, and this is heavy, okay? So I'm excited to get into it. If you guys are ready to do this Elemis unboxing with me, keep on watching. Stuff. So, all right, here's the package. It says, "You make me feel like I can open up." And I think that's cute. I'm not sure, y'all know y'all not getting my address, nothing. But I will say that because this was sent to me in PR, I am not obligated to make this video. They just want to send me stuff and I don't know why, but I love it. I think they know I'm gonna use it for content, but that's fine. So I literally picked this up yesterday from my mailbox, and I saw that there's like a pull tab. Good, because y'all know I can't open anything. And the last video, the whole video was me trying to open it, so yeah. Okay. Shit. But it's heavy, so I should have a phone here to tell you guys how much these things cost. Y'all. Oh my god. Oh. Alright. Finally. We got it. Okay. So I have no idea what this is, but okay, I'm excited. And then the box says, "In need of a little relaxation this holiday season." Me too. And honestly, guys, I am so stressed out. So stressed out. I don't even know when this video is gonna come out, but Christmas time is very stressful for me. My birthday's coming up. I got a cruise coming up in March, but I want to go to this Fresh Meat Boogie for new skydivers, also in March. How I'm gonna do this, I don't know. Okay, so I'm just trying to have content for you guys because you guys don't want to quit. But like 2023, we're not gonna do that. We're not gonna talk about it. We're just gonna keep making content. We're gonna keep going. And if I keep getting free stuff, y'all getting unboxings. But here we have, first of all, I need to get my phone because I probably need to check how much everything costs. It's probably really, really expensive. So far, I see this. There are 5 items in here, including this. And I think it's like a, what is it? This says, okay, no plastic bags around your babies. Sorry, guys. So, I don't know. So, this is the stick. Okay. You attach the stick to this, or you don't. The first thing that comes to mind for me, guys, back scratch. Sorry. But we have this. What does it say? This is the Body Detox Skin Brush. Natural cactus body brush, right? So I'm going to assume it's so you can exfoliate your body. And I don't know about you guys, if you have like back knee or body acne, there's a good cleanser from Truly Beauty. It is a part of their CBD jelly line. It is the one for your body, not your face. And you know the difference between those two because one smells like watermelon. That's for your body, not your face. Just so you know. So let's see what these instructions say. All right, so it says, dry brush the skin every morning before showering or bathing. What? Starting with the soles of your feet with long sweeping movements towards your heart. What does it do? It says skin brushing is known as a natural way to detox, cleanse, and improve texture and tone your skin. Yeah, so you exfoliate. Dry brushing? Oh, this looks like a horse brush, y'all. I'm scared. But I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna brush my body. Okay, so this is the first item, and it's so, like, the packaging is so good. You can, like, I love it. I'm gonna try it. It's so weird. I never thought about dry brushing my body. That's how I say body in my head. All right, so wait. Let me find out how much that brush costs. I want you guys to know that I don't know what's going on upstairs, but I heard things fall. I don't know if they're all dead. I don't know. What? We're gonna ignore it. Okay, so let's see it. Okay, so the dry skin brush is $45. I told you, they are top quality. It's definitely a luxury brand. If you can find sales for them, definitely hop on it. They have such great products. They're amazing. You guys know my favorite is that Pillow Plump It. I'm not gonna say it, but y'all know that mask is amazing. And I actually found this brand through BoxyCharm. So you do get really great brands and get introduced to great brands on BoxyCharm. I was just really tired of the bullshit, okay? It was trash, like, over and over again, and they kept raising the price. But the quality was just going downhill. Some of my products I found were, like, dirty, like, just gross. So here we have, so this is the Elemis Pro Collagen Hydra Gel Eye Masks. It says eye mask for fine lines. I love an eye mask. I don't need to read the instructions. I know how to use them. How many are in here? Does it tell me? You gonna tell me how much is in here? 6 eye masks. So you guys know they'll go right underneath the eyes like that. Let's see how much does this cost. Okay, so these eye masks, you get 6 of them for $80. So these 2 products are already over $100. I'm telling you. But I already just know that they're so good. Anti-aging. Y'all know how old I'm gonna look, guys. For the rest of my life. That's how old I'll be. This silica, don't swallow that. The next thing in here. This is the Frangipani Manoi. I don't know how to say this. Is a body oil. And it says hair, nail, and body oil. I usually don't like things that are for, like, multi-use. Like when the guys have that hair, face, balls, and neck wash. I don't like that. I really don't. Where is it? What's it say here? Okay, so it says it's oil. Okay, anyway, this product solidifies at colder temperatures. Okay, like coconut oil. It says place bottle in boil of warm water. So return to a silky liquid. After bathing, apply oil to damp skin. Okay, so it's gonna lock in that moisture. And this says concentrate on nails for a manicure. Okay, so you can use it as a cuticle oil. That's what I got from that. And it says for a weekly treat, massage a small amount into hair, cover with warm towel, and relax for 15 minutes. Yeah, my hair is color treated, so I don't really put too many things in it. This is the bottom. I can see it. It's separated. I can see that. So I also have their massage oil. It's a medicated massage oil. It's a similar bottle. It's just blue, and a little bit goes a long way. I use it when I'm like sore as hell. Let's see. Does a little oil come out? Okay. And it's really good. That one was like $80, so I know this is expensive. It's just a body oil. Ooh, it's a little fragrant. Oh my God. Okay, you guys ready? At first it smells like the stick from Fun Dip. That's exactly what it smelled like. The stick from Fun Dip. Yep. That's what it smelled like. But let's find out how much this costs. Now I think I remember that oil being like $80. It's definitely more than $50. Let's see how much this goes for. So this is $58. Not awful again. Well, it is very expensive, but like I know the quality of their products and they're really good. But again, a little bit goes a long way. I don't know how long it's gonna last if you're using it like on everything, like a complete body and like your hair. But I would just use it on my, like, on my body. I don't know why I'm gonna keep doing that. And like my nails as like a cuticle oil. You guys know quarantine, I was doing my own nails and was chopping up those cuticles. Awful. Awful. But there's that. I said 2 more. They're fairly large. It has a door tag. I didn't even see it. So it says, take the night off. The holidays may be the best time of the year, but let's be real, they can also be stressful. I'm dying. Okay, drowning. Anxiety, everything is killing me. When you're feeling burnt out, turn to this box for calming goodies for the ultimate evening of R&R. Let's rest and relaxation. And it has a door tag that says, nope, self-care in progress. And I love that. That is my favorite thing. Nope. All right, what is this? Oh, it's a candle. It says Regency Library. Scented candle. I love candles. Wow, no, this is like legit a self-care box. I'm gonna set the mood for myself. And you know what I'm gonna do? Eat ice cream. Ugh. I love candles. Oh, look how pretty. I love this. First of all, it's heavy, so maybe this is what's holding the box down. I don't want to open it. So it's cage, cedarwood, and sandalwood. It smells good. It smells very earthy, and it smells like you'll put this on, like you'll burn it and you'll go right to sleep. This is so nice. This is so nice. I love it. It's matte. It's so, like, I'll be afraid to burn it. Guys, I looked this up. This is the most expensive candle I've ever had in my life, and I have a big $30, like, 8-wick candle. This is $60. $60. So this is a special occasion candle. Not, like, to get romantic, but literally, like, all right, everybody leave me alone. I'm taking a bubble bath with bath bombs. And I'm taking care of myself. But oh my god. And I think this was what was really heavy in the box. $60. Lord. Whew. Right. And the last item, guys, it's a milk bath. Skin softening milk bath. So it is literally like, take a bath, put on this oil, burn this candle, and get right. Wow. For dry skin, amino acids. It says milk protein, camellia, nourishes, balances, softens. So I don't like my skin. I've had eczema for a very long time. So like usually it doesn't bother me anymore. But like wintertime, if you wear layers, I do get like, it'll come back and it'll be pretty bad. Especially with like heat rash. That's why I cannot layer up. That doesn't work for me. It just irritates the shit out of my skin. And you guys know my skin is sensitive. But like, let's see this milk bath. Skin softening milk bath. Ooh. So it says shake well, important to warm running bath water. Ooh. Let's smell it. It doesn't really, it smells like a lotion. It smells like Olay lotion. If you're old oil of Olay. My mother always says that. She always wants to remind me that that's what it is. Girl, give it up. They rebranded. It's just Olay. All right, so this is the last thing in the box, and I checked. It costs $72. So these things are not to be used. I wouldn't use them all the time. This is not this is literally just to take care of yourself. And it is the perfect self-care bundle. I think it's dope. So here it is. Here is my Elemis holiday self-care package. This was so dope. I can't wait to try it because y'all, I'm stressed out. And as soon as Christmas is done, I'm going to feel a lot better for like a little while. And this may help a lot. So I'm going to try these things out and let you guys know in a separate video how it goes. It's nothing that I can try on camera for real. So there's that. But I'm happy that I got it. Thank you so much, Elemis, for sending this to me. Like, this is so dope. And I can't wait. I just can't wait. I'm not even regifting it. This would be like a perfect gift for somebody. Fuck y'all. This is for me. I've had a year and I can't take it anymore, but 2023 is not going to be any of that stress. I'm going to whip this out, grab a book. It's going to be lit. It's going to be lit. But that is pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, make sure you go ahead and like the video. If you've tried any of Elemis' products, if you've tried any of these products, definitely let me know. I'm very curious about that dry body brush. That's gonna be real interesting to me. Maybe if I do the dry body brush and then I use that, I found this body scrub that I absolutely love. I just might have the silkiest skin in the world after that. I'm gonna do that. What? But that is it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Once you subscribe, hit that notification bell. Join the Clockwork crew so you'll be notified every single time that I upload, which is every single Monday like clockwork. Guys, don't forget to reset and renew and take your self-care days because they are super, super important. And with this box, that's exactly what I'm going to do. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Until next time.